Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use our Prepinsta for your all placement needs. And we can say like this is a hack for you for your placements. So it's all open for everyone and you can prepare for any placement needs like for any company specific or programming or aptitude. You can utilize our Prepinsta. So the URL is prepinsta.com. So which is given in the comment section as it was pinned. So you can click on it and you can do the same whatever I am showing to you today. Okay, so our Prepinsta, what we are doing is we are providing everything for your placement needs. So just look at here for placements, for upskilling, and for the coding, and for all engineering students, we are providing this website for free almost. So 90% of the people don't know like Prepinsta, we can use it for free for our placements. But in this video, I will make you guys clear about it. So this is our website. Before going to the home page, I would like to tell you about the main menu here. So here you can see prepare section and courses section and off campus and placement stats. So first we will go to the prepare section, then we will go to the courses. So in the prepare section, you can see the first highlighted point is all platforms. In all platforms, you can see all the company specific categories as well as platforms categories. For example, CoCubes, AMCAT, eLitmus, and HackerRank, HirePro, and everything. For example, if you are preparing for any of these examinations or any company specific exam, it depends on these platforms. You can check these platforms. And here you can see, for example, you are preparing for any company, then you can go to prepare section and you can go to all platforms and you can navigate to the any company. For example, I will give you the clear idea with one company's example, that is for example TCS NQT. And we know in upcoming days TCS on campus is going to hire, so that's why I'm taking as an example. So TCS NQT I'm taking. So I just clicked on the TCS NQT. So how I can prepare for TCS NQT examination? It's a company specific, right? TCS company. So if you know about the TCS, then you can know about everything. All remaining companies also you can prepare in the same way. So first when I navigate to this, you will get overview of this section, which is nothing but how many questions are there in the examination, what is the time they are providing, and how many rounds will be there. Like this it will, right? So in overview, we have told you how many minutes they will allocate and how many sections are there, how many questions were there, like that. And important notes also we will give, like is negative marking is allowed in that company or not, or it is adaptive examination or non-adaptive examination, and more information about what is the TCS NQT and all the links you can navigate and you can check. For example, this year TCS NQT eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria? Whether you can apply or not. You can check all these things, guys. And if you navigate, you can see a lot of things like curriculum, round one foundation. For example, curriculum. So overall curriculum is nothing but we'll have a foundation section, we'll have advanced section. So everything in detail we have explained. And after that in foundation A, what will the topics we will have, how many questions and everything. And part B, advanced section. And advanced section, what are the topics we'll have. So everything we have highlighted here. And also we have given the roadmaps, how these questions will be, right? And also if you navigate a bit down, how to prepare. So here you will see overview, and then you can know what is the syllabus they are providing, and then you can prepare. So in the preparation section, for example, if you want to prepare quantitative, verbal, and advanced coding, reasoning ability, everything we have given in a horizontal tab. So under the prepare section, you will get everything for your practice. For example, reasoning ability is there, and in reasoning ability we will get 20 questions for 25 marks. And what are the important topics you need to practice? See here, we have given all previous year TCS questions which you need to practice. So for example, I know already data sufficiency knowledge and I have knowledge, so I want to start the examination. You can go to the data sufficiency and again you can see free material. So Everything we can't give it for free, but at least we are giving somewhat free for the students to get into the good company. So for example, you can access the free material and you can navigate here and you can click on the start button and you can attempt this question. For example, randomly I given, so I did wrong one. So here you got the answer with the question revealed as a quiz, and you can see the explanation as well with a video. So all these things you will get and you can check in our prepinsta.com. And after completion of the quiz, you will get the analytics as well. So how much rank you did and how much your percentile and how you are preparing. So entire analytics will come for various mocks on our Prepinsta. So not only quizzes, we will give you the analytics by comparing with the students. Okay. So this is like we have to attempt the quizzes. So I'm just going back. Just I given the idea how you can practice. And see, here I have attempted one question. So that's why it is showing 10%. Why? Because we have a 10 questions. If you complete 10 questions, it will show like 100%. So once the mocks are completed, you can get the score or analytics here on the screen. And I'm just going back for your explanation purpose. Okay. So after completion of preparation, you can go to the interview section. So what are the topics they will ask you in the interview of the TCS, like previous and CS and everything. And if you want to prepare more, you have to navigate to the another page. Why? Because if we keep everything here, it will become a very huge page, right? So that's why you have a other pages to navigate. And also the video here about the TCS hiring announcement and everything. So in a one page of TCS, you can get overview and the syllabus and the preparation strategies and interview and about the TCS one video. And in the left hand side menu, you can see the more pages about the particular TCS only. For example, this is a home page for the TCS placement papers. If you want to learn about more the other things about the TCS, you have to navigate to the left hand side menu. So here you can see TCS menu. A lot of people don't know about this navigation and people are skipping to the other pages. So I suggest if you are entering to the prepinsta.com, always look for left hand side menu for sure. Why? Because in the left hand side menu, you can see placement papers, what is TCS NQT and how to apply, and what is the foundation section, what is the aptitude questions they will ask. For example, I clicked on aptitude questions. So this entire page will be focused on only aptitude. For example, if you are little bit bad about aptitude and if you want to learn more about aptitude, then come to this section, left hand side menu, and click on the in vertical menu. You can click on the aptitude question and you can get into this. And in this also, how many topics they will ask, what is the duration, number of questions we have given. And also we have given complete syllabus, what is the asked in the TCS NQT. So for every company, this will be same. Again, I'm saying, for example, in some companies, aptitude won't be there. For example, communication round is there. So in the left hand side menu, you have to go to that communication round test so that you will get the complete syllabus of it. Okay. And you can see entire syllabus. For example, if I want to prepare, for example, I want to prepare percentages. Just click on the percentages. Again, you will navigate to the quizzes and start your preparation. Sir, it is showing like quiz 1, quiz 2. Why? Because you are a paid user. What it will show to the non-paid users, right? So for example, what I am doing is I just open this in incognito mode so that I haven't logged in. So I am going to the TCS NQT. Okay. And again, I am going to the left hand side menu and aptitude questions. See, for the non-logged in users, not paid users, I am saying just with login also, you will get access to the prepinsta.com. So you can see here all the syllabus and everything. And if I navigate more about here, it will ask for just login. See, unlock this article for free. Our articles in prepinsta.com are free. Just you need to log in. That's it. So log in once, then you can use our entire website for free. So you can go to the syllabus, and again I'm going to the percentages concept, and see here, log in to see your performance analytics by the signing in. So in order to get the analytics, you need to log in, guys, for free only, right? So you can start the percentages quiz, and you can start the question, and you can answer this question, and you can see the explanation. Also you can see in the bit bottom here, in how much time you are attempting the question, right? So this is not shown here. Why? Because you are not a logged in user. So I will show you two guys as a login user. So I am logging in, I am starting the quiz, and I have answered as 11. So it is still wrong. So let's see how it show for the logged in users. So it will show the Prepinsta's explanation, and also it will show the video solution and how you have to do, and also it will show the graph that in how much time the people are doing the particular question. For example, some questions you need to do it in 10-15 seconds. Some questions you need to do it in like 60 seconds. So in between 10-15 seconds to 60 seconds, you need to complete a question in any placement paper. So you can see here, 0% people have solved this question before you, and 100% people have solved this question after you. Why here I am not getting the analytics of properly is nothing but I have wrongly answered. If you're wrongly answered, you don't have to get the comparison with others, right? So for example, I am looking into the next question and I don't know the answer. Just I quickly clicked on the answer. For example, it is 25. So here also, as a logged in user, I am going to the next question, and we know the answer now. It is 25. So I will give a 2-3 seconds pause, and now I will click on the answer. And as usual, we know about solution and the video explanation, right? And after that, I will ask you guys to show the graph, and you can see here, within 10 seconds I have answered this question. And how many people are answered? 15% people have solved this question before you, and 84% people or 85% people is answered this question after you. So you are in top 15%, right? So this analytics will definitely help you to measure yourself in how much time you are doing the question. So you don't have to keep the timer aside, and you don't have to do all these things. Just log in and get this all analytics, and it will definitely help you guys. So not only the quiz, we are giving the analytics as well. So this is the one of the crucial thing. So you can see here also, for example, if you observe, see here also time it is showing. For example, I will start the another test. If you start this test, you can see here the timer is also running, so that you can understand is a real time, as a real time examination, how can I achieve this question within the time. So like this you can do, guys. Okay, so this is all about the quizzes. And if you want to practice more, log in and get the access to the remaining quizzes. Okay, see, for example, here also I am going as a non logged in user. To see the performance or analytics or anything, we have to log in, guys. We can't do anything. So to access the remaining quizzes, please log in. Okay, we completed the quiz section, which is nothing but mock test, we can say. For a practice, what we will say? Mock test, right? So if you know about the topics, you can learn a lot of practice questions in our prepinsta.com as a quizzes, and we can say like it's a mock test. And also you will get the all those different level questions. For example, number system, how many questions will come, or it is a level medium or easy, or what are the topics you need to take care, whether it may be formula based or time based or shortcut based. Everything we have mentioned here. And also this is the TCS NQT foundation aptitude questions from previous years. Along with the topic wise quiz questions, we are giving the previous year questions also. So all these things you can practice, guys. And the best thing is you will get analytics. That is very important. So left hand side you can go to the English, verbal, everything. For example, if you want to know the syllabus, you can click on the syllabus. If you want to know about the eligibility criteria, recruitment process, registration process, and whatnot, everything related to the specific company. Or for example, if you want to know about the hiring process or get the updates, or for example, if you want to get the interview questions, so you can navigate here. All the TCS previous year interview questions were we have taken from the different users or the persons who are selected in TCS, and we have given the answers here from our experts. So all these things you can access for free with just simple login, right? And also, if you see after the all platforms and all the companies, you can see programming. One of the best thing about us is nothing but we have designed a top 100 codes page. If you observe this top 100 codes page, from basics to advanced, I can say like not non-DSA questions. Okay, all these are non-DSA questions from basics to advanced. So you can learn in any programming language. For example, if you want to know the program for palindrome or prime number or the prime number between the range, all these things. For example, if I want to know factorial of a number in C, I will click on C. If I want to get the code and explanation in C++, I will click on it. See, for example, you will navigate this page. You will get a factorial of a number of a C in C++ programming with a proper explanation. And not only in one method, you will get into multiple methods. For example, you can use iteration method, you can use recursion method, and that's it. In two categories they have did this problem. Okay, so like this you can get 100 questions in 4 languages. For example, if you are learning Python and you are good at Python, if you want to know about if you want to practice more number of problems in program coding, then you can save this page, bookmark it, and open any problem you want and practice it. For example, I want to see here the problem is based on recursion and prime number in Python. So in order to do the prime number program, you need to use recursion. So how you will use recursion, step by step algorithm is also given, and next flowchart is also given. Next the code was implemented and using loops. See, with one page you can learn hundreds of codes. And also in the preparation section and under the programming, we have a top 150 not out questions. What is this top 150 not out questions? Are nothing but it is the questions is all about your DSA. So you can learn arrays concepts and hashing, and two pointers, sliding windows, tag, binary, linked list, trace, and many more. So if you learn this 150 questions, surely I am telling you, you can clear up to product based companies. So definitely save this page and try to practice these questions. For example, reverse the linked list. So you will get a detailed explanation about it, and you can see the implementation of this code in C++, Java, and Python. Why? Because mostly for DSA we won't use C. Object oriented programming languages we will use like C, C++, Java. Sorry, C++, Java, Python. We won't use C. Why? Because it don't support the object oriented programming. So optimization is a bit complexity in that. And after that, if you want to learn the basic programming language, so after learning that, you can use top 100 codes, top 150 not out questions. But if you want to learn from the basics, for example, C, C++, Python, and Java, this total website of our prepinsta.com is a article based, guys. Okay, so those who are very interested in reading websites and blogs or articles, you can learn from here. You don't have to go anywhere. Okay, with a single website you can learn everything. And also if you want to go with the online compiler, you can navigate here. And if you want to learn DSC in Python, or if you want to learn computer subjects like your academic subjects like operating system, software engineer, DBMS, and Microsoft coding questions, a company specific questions, and learn data structures, everything you can learn from here under the programming. Or for example, if you are not preparing for any company, you just want to learn the aptitude, then go to this aptitude section and you can learn quant, logical, verbal, data interpretation, and psychometric test. Or if you want to know syllabus of different companies, go to syllabus and go to the company which you want. And if you click on syllabus and if you go to the more section, this page will give you alphabetical order of all the companies, and also product based companies, platforms, others. So everything you can use it for free, guys. Again, I'm telling you. And if you want to prepare for interview preparation, you can go to the interview preparation like technical. And if you go for the HR and virtual interview, puzzles, technical interview, group discussions, and resume making, and everything you can create under the interview preparation section. And interview experiences, which is nothing but the already people who are completed their interviews and got selected for different companies, they have given their experience to us, so we have written the articles. So we collected the different questions from whatever they will get in the companies, we have seen that. So for example, you can see interview experience is for the Accenture ASC, or Capgemini, Cognizant Gency, TCS, Ninja Digital, Prime, all these things you can see here. And also off campus, for example, if you want to get the off campus drives, you have to join our social media handle. Simply you can say like off campus, click on off campus, join the Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Discord channels. There you will get all hiring updates. For example, in our Instagram handle, we have a lot of posts we will do on daily basis. For example, whatever the company is hiring, we will post in Instagram. Or it is very less hiring, we will post it in WhatsApp and LinkedIn and Telegram. Why? Because if it is a bulk hiring, Instagram will have a more reach, we will post it in Instagram. For example, it is very small company and hiring is a 2-digit number thing, then we will post in WhatsApp and Telegram and LinkedIn only. Why? Because more people don't have to apply. And if you want to discuss any doubts with us, you can come to our Discord channel as well. And that's it. All the 5 platforms we will use to share the job updates at fingertips. And under the courses also you can learn the advanced skills like AML, data analytics, data science, Power BI, Tableau, big data. All these articles you can learn, guys. And if you want to learn popular languages, you can learn them. Actually, these are the courses we are providing. For example, AML. Okay. So for this, you need to pay. For the all, whatever I'm telling you for preparation purpose, article based prepinsta.com is completely free. But if you really want to video based learning, you have to navigate to our prepinsta.com, where you can see all the skills like AML, data analytics, data science, Power BI, Tableau, and all the upskilling courses on the languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and the platforms like AMCAT. You can learn everything. And aptitude courses, CS subjects, all these things, guys, you will get for with one single subscription, that is Prepinsta Prime. Even I will show you what is our Prepinsta Prime as well. Why? Because people will have a doubt between prepinsta.com and prepinstaprime.com. Prepinsta.com is article based and you have to read more. And prepinstaprime.com is nothing but a video platform based, one solution for all your placement needs, and we have a 200 plus courses. Okay. So for example, if you want to learn any trending courses or popular skills or full stack development, programming languages, popular coding, aptitude, and company specific, all these things, you have to get the access with a paid subscription. But prepinsta.com is free. So that's why I said your placement hack. Why? Because you can easily use for free the prepinsta.com. And you can see the placement stats also, like previous years, how many people were got placed and at what amount they got placed and which companies they got placed, and we got some feedback from the students and everything we have did, right? Let's navigate to the home page now. So you know how to navigate and how to go to the particular company or any subject. If you want to learn what to do, you learn. And after that, learning the theory, you can go to the company specific and you can attempt the quizzes as well. And in this quizzes, we have analytics as well. All these things we have explained in a proper way and you have already learned it. Now, what is the things we left in homepage? So for example, if you want to get the updates of internships and jobs, click here and subscribe or follow our Instagram, YouTube channels and everything. And also, if you want to choose the learning path, you can choose from here. For example, if you want to know about all the companies. Click on the all the companies and navigate here. You can see in alphabetical order, you can learn for any company. Again, if you click on, for example, Infosys placement paper, again you will navigate to the Infosys dashboard, and again you will get entire information about it, A to Z. With this page, you can navigate to any syllabus, right? So you don't have to search here and there. Entire knowledge you will get with a single Infosys left hand side vertical menu. So it's very easy, right? And next, if you want to prepare aptitude, click on the aptitude and start your preparation. If you want to learn CS subjects, click here and start your preparation. Programming, click here and start your preparation. Interview, start your preparation. And if you want to get the off-campus updates, click on these links. And also, if you want to learn programming and CS subjects, you can learn here. For example, if I want to learn DBMS, I will click on the DBMS, and you can see all the topics related to DBMS. You don't have to prepare like your textbook. You can directly come here and you can practice, so that you get clear. Some topics you don't know. For example, I know what is data and what is database. I will skip this. For example, I don't know what is a file system and DBMS. I will click on it and I will learn the article, and I will learn, and I will make my notes. So all these things you will get for free from prepinsta.com. Just you need to just log in. You don't have to pay anything. Okay. Next, I'm going to the home page. Next, you can see all the remaining data about our prime and everything. And this is the placement stats of previous month and compared to the things. So all these things you can see. That's it. So all the knowledgeable things, whatever you are required for the placements, I have explained in a single shot. So many people don't know how to use our prepinsta.com for their placements. So that's why we made this video. So don't miss this opportunity. From the start to end, watch the video completely, and you know now how to access the prepinsta.com so that you can prepare for your placement for sure. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.